command you will use most often is to access the on-screen display. Hotkey plus O, which is your connection to the matrix switch. Here you can select a CPU with full access, enter, video only access, spacebar or private access, left shift plus enter, and disconnect, backspace, or choose the last connected source with full access, P. Additionally, you can choose some predefined layouts and macros and activate and deactivate multi-screen control. Extender commands are typically used to deal with issues or to choose specific links. Issues can be missing EDID, hotkey plus A, or faulty USB HID ghosting, hotkey plus H plus W plus enter. In case you are using an extender with local CPU ports, you can connect a laptop to your extender and access it via KVM, hotkey plus L plus enter. A mini KVM setup is connecting two CPUs to one redundant console, so you can switch between both CPUs, hotkey plus K plus 1, hotkey plus K plus 2. A list of all commands can be found in the user's manual of the extender module and matrix switch.